Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Christina Rahm, and I'm the president and founder of Rahm Thomas University. I'm also a scientist, an inventor, a patent writer, I'm an author, I'm a mother, and I'm a person that loves this world. It's really important to me to work with companies like the Root Brands and to work with other companies like Ella Pure, Bill & Coo, Environ, Rahm Pharmaceutical, and other companies like this as we try to approach the world with solutions and make this world a better place. I'm going to read a little bit from one of the patents that I designed that I have put into a lot of the formulas that I have at the Root Brands, Bill & Coo, Ella Pure, and Merci Depuis Cloisonnières. See, I'm a scientist that was in the pharmaceutical and biotech industry, but then I went into nutraceuticals and clothing and the environment, and even further as I tried to help with more solutions. To do this, I developed a patent called Lectin Detoxification. Lectins are glycoproteins characterized by their capability to attach to carbohydrates. The problem is lectins can also be toxic, but there's a lot of good components to lectins as well. So I did extensive research and I determined that we needed to be able to digest these lectins, but we actually had to detox some of the toxins out of them first. The patents that I did developed a two-step system to really purify lectins in the crop, in the land, and in the water surrounding them. Furthermore, I did a manufacturing patent that would help with nutraceuticals and pharmaceuticals so that they would enhance nutritional value, so that you would be able to assist with removing environmental toxins, assist with exploration of new uses for products such as cosmetics, clothing lines, and animal products. See, here's the issue. Vitamins and minerals are great for you. Plants, seeds, roots, they're wonderful for you. Here's the issue. When they're exposed to toxins, and they are in this world, and you don't detox them, then you put even more toxins in your vitamins. So even though you're getting nutritional values in the vitamins and the minerals, and then putting them in your body, if you don't get rid of those toxins, then the things you put in also have bad things in it. My goal is to accomplish a world where we have solutions as we evolve. This is one of the patents we will be teaching at Rahm Thomas University in our science classes, so we can find a younger generation that helps us have even better solutions than I have provided or other scientists have provided. We're just getting going because we're evolving as a world. This is not a time of chaos and crisis. This is a time of solutions.